Assalamualaikum guys. Do you want to unlock the secret of math and impress your friends with mind-blowing math trick? You may know the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Do you know how can we make this formula and how will the formula if it has other powers instead of 2? Let's say n. N may be 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Here A and B are the variables, 1, 2 and 1 are the coefficients. What will be the coefficients when we will use the higher formula? Let's make a pyramid in which 1 is written on both sides and the number in between them is written by adding upper two numbers. So 1 plus 1 equal 2, 1 plus 2 equal 3, 2 plus 1 equal 3, 1 plus 3 equal 4, 3 plus 1 equal 4 and 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the coefficient for power 2 is 1, 2, 1. For power 3, the coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. And for power 4, the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And for the power 5, the coefficients are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Decrease the power of A from maximum to minimum and increase the power of B from minimum to maximum. So A plus B whole power 3. Here the maximum power is 3. We will use the coefficient here 1, 3, 3, 1 and the power of A is 3, that is maximum. We will decrease the power of A. 3, 2, 1 and 0. In the first term B has minimum power, that is 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. We are increasing the power of B. So B power 0 is equals to 1 and A power 0 is equals to 1. So the formula will be A plus B whole cube is equals to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B3. The formula for A plus B whole power 4 will follow the same pattern. Write in comment what will be A plus B power 5.